So this is how I clean my glass palette. That's been used and it's dry. All this acrylic paint on here is dried. I've left it sit until I come here next. I simply spray it with Windex, just simple glass cleaner Windex. I could let it sit for a couple of minutes, let it clag up. Then I simply get a scraper, any kind of scraper, and I'm going to just scrape it. A glass palette to me is the best palette because you can mix on it quite well without any interference. And I simply scrape this into a pile. It's pretty much like dried up plastic now. Then I grab my bin and I simply pull it over the edge on the towel, push that into the bin, wipe my blade just like that, ready for the next time I'm ready to clean it. A little mist, again. Paper towel, you can see this paper towel's been used more than once, and I'll just give that a wipe. The Windex dries without any streaks, not that you don't need streaks, but it dries without any moisture left onto the surface. And that is dry, clean, ready to go again.